Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to stabilize shaky video in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you recorded handheld footage, action shots, travel videos, or cinematic scenes, yeah, stabilization tools can make your clips look much smoother and more professional. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project containing the shaky footage you want to fix. Next, click the video clip on the timeline that needs stabilization. Now open the Inspector panel in the top right corner of the Edit page. Scroll down inside the Inspector panel and enable the stabilization option. DaVinci Resolve includes different stabilization modes like perspective, similarity, and translation. Perspective usually works best for most footage, more detailed adjustments. Before exporting, preview the entire sequence carefully to make sure all stabilized clips look smooth and natural. Once everything looks good, export the final video in high quality from the Deliver page. And that's basically how to stabilize shaky video in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With the right stabilization settings and smooth adjustments, you can turn shaky footage into much more professional looking video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.